On the 008 railway, supplies were limited, which means the post train had to be in different vans. And there was a shortage of engines. Today's case, the flying kipper. Today, Charlie's pulling it. It was long today. Then Charlie had to stop because of some damaged tracks. Is this gonna take much longer? Soon. Hurry up, this has to be delivered to its destination at 86th Street. Hold your horsepowers. If you don't move out of my way, I am going to push you. Charlie, you are never this way. Oh, am I? Oh my god, he's possessed. Come here. Come here. Uh, uh, uh. Mwahahaha. No. Oh shit. What a second. Found you. Oi, mate. Oh, who are you? If you want to possess my friends, then you're gonna have to go through me. Please help, Peter. Oh, sprung. So you're not? No. But he knows who I am. Show yourself. With pleasure. The pair of engines were shocked about who came out, but that is a story for another day. But they did manage to find the real Charlie. He was derailed outside of 37 130 Street. They did start to go, but left half of their train behind. But during a surprise inspection, there would be bigger consequences. This beast would strike, but it wouldn't strike an engine, rather one of our useful coaches. And this beast would be the appearance of one of the coaches' very close friends. But that is a story for another day.